Hello class. In this video, we're going to show you how to use command line arguments, at least how to simulate command line arguments in Eclipse. We're finally going to learn what this string args is all about here. When you run a Java program from the command line, you can follow the name of the program with a white space separated list of arguments, which will be read into the program as the args string array, which then can be accessed inside the program. So it gives you a way of accessing the command line arguments inside the code. In this case, we're going to be looking for 3 arguments. As you can see, we've got args.length not equal to 3. And we're going to report an error message if that is not used. And we're going to do add, subtract, multiply, or divide with 2 integer values that we're going to enter into the command line arguments. Well, how do we do this? How do we simulate this in Eclipse? If you right-click on the name of the program and choose Run As, Run Configurations, you get this pop-up dialog here. Now, if you don't actually see that, you can select it over here under Java Application. But we've already got it, and you'll notice that the proper class name is the one that is selected. I've only got 1 class in this project anyway, so. But if you don't see the proper program here, you can search for it. You'll get a list that you can search. Now, up here you see some tabs, and the one we want is this one here. And I've already entered some command line arguments that would fit the program that we're going to try here. I've got 12 period 5. Well, the period represents multiplication. I'm going to go with, I'll change that to a plus sign for this first run. Okay, there it is. We'll give that a run. And you can see the output here is 12 plus 5 is 17. You'll notice that a switch is being used to determine which mathematical operation to choose here. And you're switching on the value of the single character in the string, which would be the second command line argument, the one with index of 1. And since we chose plus, it added the 2 together. I'll run it again. This time I'll change the arguments. And I will try for multiplication. And as you can see at the bottom of the screen here, we did get the correct result of 60. So that's how you use command line arguments. The arguments are read into your program as an array. You need to do that for your assignment for this chapter. Hope that helps.